Hi everyone. Well, we've got through 3 heat waves, haven't we? Just come through the other side. We've had some very welcome rain and the garden is beginning to recover from all that heat. It's quite nice at the moment. It's sunny today, a bit breezy, but then we've got rain forecast for the weekend. So we're hopefully back to normal. But it's nice to see a bit of green in the lawn again, which I'll just show you. It's nice to see some green on the lawn, which isn't just weeds. I've just mown the grass, so at least it blends in a bit. So it's looking better. It's coming along. But this pot here with the tree, now the tree has shed all its yellow leaves, well, most of them. That suffered a bit with the heat. But the pot at the bottom is looking a bit tired. Now a lot of these plants are really drying out. There's a few leaves here that has come off of the tree and everything. So what I'm going to do is just trim this all down. Still got a few flowers coming, but the nasturtium here, which I thought had died, that's actually got flowers again. So that's good. And then there's the fuchsia that's holding on there. But what I want to do is just go around the pot and just tidy that up. And then I've got some other plants that I'm going to pop in there. Right, these pieces of lobelia I'm just going to snip off. If I just cut out these dry pieces, then it might shoot out again. And there's a lot of these leaves that came off of the tree. I'm just going to take those out. There's a few flowers on there, but what I'm going to do is just cut that section right down and then hopefully get a new flush of flowers come through there. Now this nasturtium here, that's all shooting out again. I'm going to take the dead pieces out. Now what I want to do is just put some compost. I've got a little bit left in the bag. I'm just going to put some fresh compost around the parts that are left. More or less emptied that bag. That should give it just a little bit of a boost. This is just multi-purpose compost. Now what I have here is some trailing snapdragons. I had a packet of 100 and these were all the ones that grew, which is not many. What I'm going to do now is just pop these around the edge of the pot. Now I have watered these. Try not to break them. So I'm just going to pop these around the edge. Now I do have some Busy Lizzie cuttings that I've taken. They root really easily in water. So I'm just going to get those. Right. I'm just going to pop some of these in. Fill in the gaps. Now these were just off of the bedding plants that were sent to me. I'll give those a good water, and hopefully that will give the pot a new lease of life. Just using plants that I've had in the garden without having to buy any new ones. But these trailing snapdragons are really pretty. Hopefully that will just revive the pot. It was looking a bit sad. Now these trailing snapdragons are really pretty. The yellow one there. They're not all out in bloom yet, so I don't know what colour that one will be. That one's very delicate white and pink. And then we've got this one that looks really pretty, doesn't it? Gorgeous flowers. So by the time they all come into bloom, with the Busy Lizzies, nasturtiums, fuchsias, and round this side, I thought this nasturtium had died, but it is beginning to shoot out again. So with a little bit of water, not too much harsh sunshine, that should lift up again and make another lovely display in the bottom of that pot. Now before I go, there's just something else I want to show you. Now this is the yellow rose that countless times I've thought has died, but it has got some more leaves coming now. So I'll just leave it there, I think, and see what it does, because it has produced a few leaves, then it's died off, then it's got a few more. I mean, I've kept it watered, but it's hanging on. It might be all right. Now in this pot here, this is the white Busy Lizzie that survived over from last year. It was just in the greenhouse, and then it's bounced back, and it's quite a big plant. So that's one that I've taken quite a few cuttings off of. So that's a good idea. Oh, wind's coming up a bit. Right, I'll say bye for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.